Hello everyone, this is Gurpreet Singh, HOD Physical Education. Today's topic is Tadasana. In earlier we have Sukhasana, yoga for concentration and related asana. In this we have Sukhasana, Tadasana, Padmasana, Shashankasana, Naukasana and Vrikshasana and Garudasana. Now today's we are going to cover this Tadasana. ताड़ासन जैसा आप इस नाम से समझ रहे हैं। ताड़ासन ताड़ासन क्या है, मतलब ताड़ किसे कहते हैं? ताड़ासन ताड़ अगर आप नोट से ताड़ एक एक नारियल का पेड़ होता है जो लंबा होता है। एक तो पेड़ होते हैं ऐसे ऐसे नॉर्मल, ये होता है नारियल, अ काइंड ऑफ नारियल लंबा। तभी इसको इसको ताड़ासन बोला जाता है। बाय प्रैक्टिसिंग दिस आसन द बॉडी बिकेम स्ट्रांग लाइक द पाम ट्री। एज यू नो बाय द पाम ट्री, जो लंबा पेड़ ऐसे लंबा पेड़ होता है पाम। दैट इज वाई द आसन is named as a Tadasana, and the posture of the body also became like a palm tree while doing it. You can see here. The word Tadasana is diverted from Sanskrit word Tad, which means palm tree, and Asan means posture, seat. It helped to increase the height and make the body strong. That is why this आसन is very important, क्योंकि इस आसन से करने से हाइट में बढ़ोतरी होती है। Now what is the method? Procedure क्या है? As you see here, stand straighten the ground, take a small if necessary gap between your feet. सीधे खड़े होना है और अपने पैरों को खड़े सीधा करना है। With deep breath, inhale, raise your both arm in upward direction and show as shown in the pictures. Keep your arm upward by interlocking fingers as you see here. Now come on the toes as you see here. Come on the toes, and by raising heel similarly. Then stomach should be kept inside while raising the hand. Weight should be on the toes. Weight should be on the toes. यहाँ पर weight होगा, right? Then back straight, eyes forward and neck should be straight. Look at this position. Try to maintain posture as long as you possible. Name. Now come to the original position with deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Repeat this आसन 1 to 2 minutes. Right? What is the benefits? बेनिफिट क्या है इस आसन के? बहुत बेनिफिट है। इंक्रीज इंथुजियाज्म एनर्जी बाय रिड्यूसिंग लेथार्जी, इंक्रीज पावर्स, स्ट्रेंथ एंड मोबिलिटी इन द फीट, थाई एंड लेग, स्पेशली स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, रिड्यूस फ्लैट फीट, इंक्रीज सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, strengthen the digest system, help to reduce the laziness of the body, improve blood circulation. Deep breathing provide increase in strengthen capacity of lungs. This is the best exercise to increase height. Good for hypertension patient as they develop the activate the means of entire body. Precautions क्या है? What is the precautions? Person who have suffering from headache, low blood pressure and infant should not do this asan. During pregnancy, skip the asan. Skip the asan if you have any problem while standing. If you are ill, then do the asan only after the suggestion by the doctor. Slowly increase the timing of the asan. In facing problem, then should consult with the doctor. Next is Padmasana. as you see Padmasana. Padmasana is the cross-legged posture while have the deepen in meditation by calm and mind and elevating various physical elements. A regular practice of posture aids in overall blossoming of the practice just like a lotus and hence reduce the name Padmasana. This asana is for those who want to find peace, शांति के लिए, क्योंकि this Padmasana is related with meditation. Methods क्या हैं? Sit on the floor on the mat with legs stretched out of the front of you while keeping the spinal erect. As you know, bend the right knee and place it on the left thigh. Make sure that the sole of the feet point upward and the feet feel and heel is close to the abdominal. जैसे हम आलती पालती मारकर बैठते हैं ना, उसमें सिर्फ फ़र्क इतना है कि ये पैर के ऊपर पैर चढ़ाकर बैठते हैं ताकि मसल्स थाई के काफ के स्ट्रेच भी हों. Now repeat the same step for the other leg. The both with both of the leg cross and feet place on opposite thigh. Place your hand on the knee in mudra position. As you see here in mudra position, this is mudra position, right? And this is the position of feet. You can see here. Keep the head straight, keep the head straight. Hold the continuous with the gentle long breath in and out. Benefits क्या हैं इसके? Increase the concentration of mind, reduce the problem related of urine system, improve digestion, control blood pressure, reduce muscular strength, tension and bring blood pressure control, relax the mind, help pregnant ladies during childhood, reduce menstrual, help in treating of many disease. Precautions क्या है? Do not perform with ankle or knee injury. Avoid the asana while having back pain. इसमें पद्मासन में बैक पेन नहीं कर सकते हम. Perform this pose only with the supervision of experienced teacher. Right? अब ये आ गया शशांक आसन, द हरे पोज. ये बहुत ही बढ़िया आसन है. इसको हम जब सुबह उठते हैं तब इस आसन को हम पोज कर सकते हैं. ये बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल है हमारी बैक पेन के लिए. स्ट्रेच होती है मैक्सिमम. शशांक आसन, the hair pose is called asan, resemble with the hair in the final position. Benefits of Shashankasana include relaxation, relieving of depression, and good upper body stretch. Shashankasana is a very easy asana to perform and can be doing any one regardless of age. It is helpful in back pain and neck pain. It is also beneficial for people suffering from diabetes, asthma and heart related disease. Method, as you see, sit in the Vajrasana, the thunderbolt pose or the kneeling pose. Place your hand on the thigh and breath and relax manner. As you can see here, Shashankasana. Raise the body, raise both hands above the head, palm facing forward. The arm should be in the same line with the shoulders. Slowly bend down the and bring hand forward till the hand forehead touch the ground. Exhale while you are breathing forward. The final position of forehead and head should be rest on the ground and slowly rhythmic and relaxing breathing can be done. ये आप benefits क्या हैं इसके? This asana relaxes the mind and relieve depression. It tone pelvic muscle and relieve sciatic pain, It can be, it can help in sexual disorder. It give good relaxing stretch to the upper body. Precaution: do this asan as like shavasana in between after an asan. This is the relax the body for short period. Do this asan. If you are if you are having leg pain, then consult the doctor.